Nauyaca Waterfalls. We're taking a truck today. We normally will hike, but we're trying to get there as early as we can and beat all the other people. So it's gonna be interesting because it's very bumpy.
Look how steep. And this is like miles in.
So this is waterfall number 1. It's too strong, so I don't think you can swim here, but it's still amazing. It's just like so big. So I will still take the walk all the way there to just see it, and then you can go back to number 2. That one has a big pool where you can actually swim, and from the bottom, from number 2, you can see both of them.
So we never usually take the easy route, but I'm so glad we did today, because the truck brought us right up to the falls, and that would be a very long hike. And we also only paid $22 per person to do the truck. To do the hike, you still have to pay $10. It's also worth noting that I think we're the only people here right now at the falls. Now we're heading down to waterfall 2 to get there before any hikers show up, because we have it all to ourselves.
This waterfall is just impressive. I'm happy we're here. I'm happy we made the trip finally. So we don't usually show where we stay when we go on our adventures, because it's usually somewhere pretty boring, just like a hotel, basic place. But here, outside of Ricky's hometown of San Isidro, we found a really cool place to stay, and there's something really special about it, so we want to just show you around. It's built in the hillside here, under a restaurant that overlooks the valley between San Isidro and Dominical, so it's easy to access the beach and the city at the same time. So let's head inside. It's a pretty small cabin, just 1 bedroom, bathroom, and a fridge. It has air conditioning, but the best part about this place is that we only paid $25 a night. Here's a little secret we're gonna let you in on that is not really a secret here in Costa Rica.
That is, the things you see online aren't necessarily what they charge in person. Costa Ricans know that tourists come here and they want the ease of booking something online for the price they see. So they charge more online, but the thing is, if you call, make the reservation as a local, you probably won't pay what's advertised online. So that's what we did here, and it really paid off for us. We could have spent $150 to stay here, and we're only spending about $70. In here you have the bathroom. It's pretty basic, it's pretty small. It does have hot water in the shower. Not much else to say about it. So you saw the bathroom, you saw the bedroom, but the best part about this cabin is the view of San Isidro.